Meaning of goujons.
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 Goujons. Goujons are a type of food typically made from chicken or fish that has been cut into long, thin strips, battered and then deep-fried. These crispy and flavorful bite-sized pieces are commonly served as a snack, appetizer, or main dish, often accompanied by dipping sauces like tartar or sweet and sour sauce. Goujons can be enjoyed on their own or used as a topping for salads, wraps, or sandwiches. With their crispy exterior and juicy interior, goujons make for a delicious and satisfying meal or snack option for those who enjoy fried foods.